Graduation day is not just about celebrating and receiving our diplomas, but also acknowledging the journey, challenges, and growth it took to get here. We have learned to navigate unknown situations and rely on and connect with each other. None of us got through college alone, and I know I would not be where I am without each and every one of you.
When I look back, there were all kinds of jobs that I had my heart set on that I didn't get. I mean, frankly, I only wanted to work at Lincoln Center and do movies with Mike Nichols. That was a bit unrealistic. But in every case, when I was disappointed, there would be some oddball job that came out of nowhere that turned out to be so much better than whatever I'd originally envisioned. This is also where, the universe comes into play. The universe might have plans for you that you can't see, and that's a good thing.
Also remember that it is okay to fail. Failure plants the seed for growth and success. Without failure, we would never know the extent of our inner strength and resilience.
My word of advice to you today is don't forget the friends you came up with. In fact, the people who know you, the people who love you, and who you've made so proud today are a turbocharger for your creativity. Their belief in you will give you the courage you need to really go out there and play. So keep your cohorts close.
Congratulations.